Hello guys, welcome back to this course on the channel Sag Skills. And in the previous video we have designed till here. You can see all these things we have covered in our previous videos. So in the last video we left till here. So today we are going to continue this design. As you can see right now it's here. This is the picture. On this picture it's a overlay color, and this is the text building. So what actually we want to do, when we hover on it, the color should be the overlay should be unaffected. I mean, when we hover on it, it should be change its color, not like without cursing. So for that, what we have to do, so come to the CSS file, and here you can see here, let's change this background to transparent first. This one layer, you can see here, this is the layer and this is the background. We have given this color RGBA. So instead of this, let's say transparent, and then copy this layer and down below paste it and type hover, and then after that background RGBA, this one, comma 0.5, and control S, and let's give here transition transition 0.5 second. Control S, go to browser, check it how it's done. Now you can see though it's hover affecting. When we hovering on it, it's changing its color. Overlay, it means the overlay is working. When we hover on it, you can see. Correct. Now next things, let's add one more div. I mean two more divs. So for that, come here and in the HTML file, here you can see this. Just copy this whole piece of code, this, and copy and paste it here, and one more time, two time paste it, and change the images and the heading. This is the building, this is the offices, and change the pictures. I have downloaded one image for this div. Okay, you can download from the internet and crop it exact dimensions. You can, or I will provide you all these images in the description, not problem. So now change this image, offices image, and then change this image also, and change the next one also. This image name I have saved by the offices img.jpg, and this one I will change by the name college img.jpg, and right here college. Okay, so now we have three divs. Control S, let's in the browser, you can see now we have three div and three images. This is the building, offices, and college. So next thing is, so now as you can see we have three heading here: building, offices, colleges. I think it's not looking well, so let's make it looking well. So that we have to do some stylish all these headings. So for that, come to CSS, and here copy this layer, copy, come down, paste it here and write as 3, open bracket. Now width 100% and font weight 500, and then color FFF, font size 20 pixel, bottom 0, left 50%, sorry, transform translate minus 50%, position will be absolute, and initially we will see opacity 0 and transition 1 second, and then copy this and write it here, and here hover and then open it, bottom 49% and opacity will be 1. So here that's all, and put this here 0.5 second, and let's change this also background little bit. So say here 7, Control S, go to browser, check it, refresh page. You can see now the heading is translating on the XY, and it's very good hovering on it, and it's very good, fantastic. You can see when you are hovering on it, so the heading is coming on the centers, and it's changing its background color also. You can see the overlay is affecting. And guys, one more things, the round is not very well rounded. You can see it's not looking perfect. So come to back CSS, and the CA where we have add image, this one. So here write display block and Control S, go to browser, check it. Now it's looking perfect. You can see round. So let me minimize the screen and let's see on the small devices. So right click and see in the responsive, click here. Now you can see all the devices here are available. You can check, and you can see it's already responsive, these images. If we click on this, so it's hovering, okay, as you know, it's very perfect and accurately. There is no need to write media query for this, it's already responsive. Now let's add more contents. So after these sections of this our service sections, let's create one more section. So for that, come here in the HTML5, and after this here let's add a section and give the name class, and the name will be countries, okay, and then after this, and this add here comment, countries section and close it. And add this comment here, countries section, like this. So here we have to write one heading, H1, countries, and paragraph. And paragraph will be this one. Just copy for this. For saving time, just copy this. Copy and then paste it here. Then Control S, go to browser, check it. You can see now you have here this section for countries, and this is paragraph. So let's go to CSS file, and here just come here, copy this countries class, copy it, come here and down below, paste it, open bracket, and then width 80%, and text aligns, center, margin, auto, padding top 100 pixel. Control S, go to browser, check it. You can see now this section is in the center right now. So next thing is, so now come again to the HTML file here, and here let's create one div, class row, and then inside this row let's create one more div, class countries, call, and inside this let's put one image, img source, and we have to download one image and crop it accordingly. I will provide you this image to the description, and don't worry, all the images will be provided. So here we have downloaded one images, and the image's name is, inside this images we have the name Holland country, okay, and close it. And then we have closed this. Let's Control S, check it in browser. You can see now we have this image here, but we have to style this because the size is very big. So come to the CSS, and let first we have forgotten to add some text here. So here we have to write heading H3, and right here let's Holland country, and just type one paragraph. Holland is a beautiful country. It has many good places. So this is paragraph, and now let's copy paste this column 2 times more. Copy it and paste it here, and one more time paste it here, and just change the images. So here we have another image, Japan, and he can say Japan, or Japan is Japan country, and change this Japan like this, Japan, and change this also. Here we have image for the Canada. So these images we have downloaded from the internet, and we have cropped all these images in the Photoshop or any editors where you can crop these images, and the size you can check. I will provide you all the images in the description. You can check and hover on the image, and you will see the properties of this image is how much dimension. It's this dimension like this 827, this also 820 into 720, like this. You can same size you can crop. Now Control S, and let's go to browser and check it. So you can see now images are very big, you can see, and it's coming in the horizontally. We want to it in accurate size and responsive size. So for that, come to the here CSS. So for first of all, let's copy the uh, this one countries column class, copy it, come back to CSS, and here just write one comment first, countries CSS, and then close this comment. Now after that, paste this class name, and then flex basic 31%, border radius 10 pixels, margin bottom 5%, and text aligns center. Now copy this again, class name, paste it down here, and write img, because the image tag inside this class. So here width 100%, border radius 10 pixel. Control S, let's see how it's look. Perfect. Now it's looking very well. You can see accurate and perfect. Now next thing is, so let's style little bit this paragraph and heading also, so that it will look good also. So come to CSS, and here copy this class name and paste it down, and write here P for paragraph, then padding 0, then again paste this class name and write h3, and here margin top 16 pixel, margin bottom 15 pixels, text aligns left, Control S, let's see how it's look now. Perfect. Now it's looking very well. So now let's open this website in a small screen. So inspect, and here is the sizes of any screen: iPhone 6, 7, 8, iPhone 5 SE, Pixel, Galaxy, Moto, iPad, and Surface Duo, anyone. So we are checking on Galaxy S, and you can see it's looking perfect. And also this country section also perfectly looking as a responsive. You can see it. Fantastic. Now everything is working well. So now next thing is, so now we have to add one more section for the testimonial after these countries. Here after this countries sections, we have to add testimonial. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will start on testimonial section. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.